Hey, what's up, everybody? DJMoeD here from What Say Radio. Appreciate y'all always tuning in, locking it in with me. Hey, hope y'all having a great Friday, October 10th, y'all. Friday, October 10th here. And yeah, we in the late evening, around about 5:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, that I'm doing this recording here. And as always, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the page to help the channel grow. Please help your boy grow here. And what I'm bringing to you in this video, we're going to talk a little bit of crypto as there's been some news going down today. Markets are bleeding like crazy. Crypto markets, that is. Some of our favorite altcoins are down. Some of them further down than others. And so we're going to take a look at what has been the cause, what's shaking up the market. If you haven't heard, I'm going to lay it all down to you right here. And so with that being said, again, hit that like button, share the video, share the love, and let's get into it. What is causing the markets, crypto market to bleed today? It is US and China getting 100% tariff on China imports, which is reigniting, as you can see, a trade war with Beijing, right? The president, Trump, has announced a trade war with Beijing, and he also implied tariffs could be imposed earlier, depending on any further actions or changes that are taken by China. Now, I think he was scheduled, or should I say, is scheduled to meet with the president in the next couple of weeks. But from what he said earlier today, that it might not be necessary to go over there and have talks with them. Hopefully that changes, between now and then, but who knows? All right. So President Trump said the United States will add an additional 100% tariff on all Chinese imports in relation to new exports controls. Beijing is planning for rare earth minerals. Again, this ignites the trade war between the two largest economies after the United States and China had 4 months maintained a truce. That right? That's right. We've been in a truce for 4 months, and here it is. This new tariff could possibly go into effect November 1st if something doesn't get resolved. Will it get resolved? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. We don't know. All we can do is just wait and see. Um, this is going to affect global supply chains and high tech sectors, stocks and indices. Sharp drops in tech industrials could possibly happen. As we're seeing already, we getting a sharp drop in crypto in the crypto markets. That's already taking place today. All right. And so that is the cause of what's going on with the crypto bleeding that we have in the market, right? Um, so again, there's no crystal ball of if this is going to get resolved. We've been through this time before, when the tariffs were first being imposed back a few months ago. Everything got resolved, worked out, or at least pushed back and delayed. And so we'll see what happens again. All right. Again, we don't have the answers, and we'll just follow this as it goes. Let's go in and take a look at a couple of our at our favorite cryptos that we always monitor here. And so let's see how they're doing right now, right? Don't let this scare you out of the market. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Um, you can lose all your money investing in stocks and crypto. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell out of any of your positions. This video, as always, is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Just bringing to you the news, what's happening, and you make your decision. Do your own research and use this information to go along with it to come to your own conclusion. All right. So with that being said, as let's get into it. As always, the market cap, as you can see, we were well over $4 trillion um, in crypto as a total market cap. I think we were around 4 point. 7, I think we got. But look, we're down 9.7 6%. Yeah, which is 10%. So yeah, we're looking we were almost at 4.7%, 4.7 trillion dollars, right? Look how we fell off there. Look at the fear and greed index. We're falling back towards neutral, right? It's not a hard fall. We were just getting towards a little greed, but right now, 54 sitting neutral is not too bad. Not as bad as it seems as far as the coins and how far they've dramatically dropped. So that might be a good sign that there's really not that much fear. All right, so oversold, as you can see, man. Looks like we are in the oversold. Okay, that's telling a different story. Fear and greed is at 54. However, we're at 22, which anything 30 and below, remember? 30 and below is oversold. 70 above is overbought. So we are in the oversold area, right? Which correlates to us, in the bloodbath, the red. When I say bloodbath, that means the markets have come down. We got a lot of red. You can see all this red down here. Look at all these last 7 days, all this red. That's what we're talking about when we talk the bloodbath that's going on right now. And what do I always say? When the markets are down, that's the time to be buying. When the markets are up, that's the time where your hands off, right? So let's take a look at our favorite coins. Bitcoin, you can see right now is 112,000. Man, just as recently within the last 24 hours, Bitcoin was at least 121,000. Ethereum has fallen back below $4,000. It was at about 4,300. As you can see, it's at 38.76 right now. XRP, wow, $2.30. We got right there at the $3 mark. Solana, man, this is crazy. We were at about 220 with Solana here over the last couple of days. We have fallen back under the $200 mark at $186.32. Dogecoin, 23 cents. Right now, it's 18 cents. Cardano got back up to 75, 80 cents range. Look at it, y'all. It is at 58 cents per coin. 58 cents per coin. This cannot be right. I got to take a look at this. Chainlink cannot be $16 right now. I'm gonna verify this, y'all. If Chainlink is $16 right now, man, this is crazier than even I thought, and it has to be. This is crazy, y'all. I'm just verifying. Hang tight with me, y'all. My favorite coin, Chainlink, right now, good people, I got $18.37. Let me refresh this page. I'm gonna refresh this page because I'm looking at Coinbase right now. Coinbase is saying $18.20 somewhere in there. But Coin Market Cap is saying $15.99. Which one is correct? Like these numbers are we talking a $2 difference. Talking about $2.30 difference here. That's major. Okay, you see it's going up now, $16. Again, in Coinbase, I have $18.22. All right, so I'm just gonna stick with what we got on CoinMarketCap because that's what I got here for you guys to see. But this is crazy. Sui is $2.45 a coin right now. A Avalanche was $28 as of yesterday. It is at $20.37. Crazy. And this is in real time, y'all. This is in real time as I'm making this video again at 5:32 p.m. And I'm gonna get this out as soon as possible. BitTensor Tau is at $2.65, and then Ondo is at 64 cents. I can't believe that. I just don't believe it. I got 77 cents in I got 77 cents in Coinbase for Ondo, and it's saying 64 cents in CoinMarketCap.com. All right. Again, I'm gonna go with what we got here, what we got on the screen. Do your own due diligence. But right now, y'all, if you can get Chainlink, and again, this is not a recommendation for you to buy, hold, sell, or sell crypto. This is just input. But if you can get Chainlink at $16 right now, that is a steal of all steals. If you can get any of these, really, um, where was Solana is under $200, $188. You could get some ADA, Cardano, the number 10 coin for 57 cents right now. That's a steal. XRP, you can get it for $2.30 right now. Another steal. So, again, I'm gonna just leave it there because a lot is off right now with all the bleeding that's going on in the market. So I don't want to give any bad information. Again, do your due diligence. Go ahead and take a look. Matter of fact, I will leave in the description a link where you can join Coinbase. If you don't have an account, you can start up your account, or you can start up your account with Robinhood. I got a link there as well because you can purchase crypto in Coinbase, right? It's a U.S. A market or a U.S. business. It's on the stock market. And so it's regulated by the United States. Coinbase is in my opinion, a good company. Or you can go in Robinhood. You can also purchase not all cryptos, but you can purchase quite a few good cryptos out of Robinhood as well. All right. So again, nobody has all the answers. I don't have the answers here. This is a lot of volatility. This is crazy right now. And so remember, when there's volatility, it can be your enemy or your friend. You can look at it and say, "Hey, man, I'm not gonna mess with crypto. With all this tariff stuff that's going on, crypto is falling." And you would be right. I mean, that would be your decision. If that's something you want, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna take a chance. Or you got conviction in crypto and you know that it's here to stay and it's not going anywhere and it's just going to grow. Guess what? It might be a good time to buy right now, with it being in the red and these good cryptos, knock on wood, that are on discount right now. They are on discount. So I will keep you updated. I'm staying tuned into what's going on. I'll be watching this. Avoid any emotional trading. Don't get caught up in your feelings. Think logical. Again, we've had so much news, so much great news about crypto over the last couple of years, and as far as recently with all the regulations. I'm confident in crypto. I'm not wavered. I'm not discouraged. I think it's here to stay, and in my opinion, it's going to be good. We're going to be good. We're just going through a rough patch right now. It happens. That's just the way it rolls. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Let me know if you're buying. Let me know if you're selling. Let me know if you're holding. And so again, hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to the page, help your boy grow. And I will catch y'all in the next one. This is DJ MoeD signing out. Peace. What you say?